How to be able to see typing indicator on Signal application. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to be able to see typing indicator on your Signal application. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application, click on it, and now click on those 3 points up there and click on setting. Click on privacy, and now like you see you have type-in indicator. If type-in indicator are disabled, you won't be able to see type-in indicator from your friends or other users on Signal. Now make sure to turn on this option, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.